Before you buy an air fryer, pause for a second, because picking the wrong one could leave you with soggy fries, endless small batches, and a bulky appliance hogging all your counter space. But the right air fryer? It can turn weeknight dinners, crispy snacks, roast chicken, and even leftovers into quick, easy meals with far less fuss. Today, I'm breaking down the best type of air fryer for every budget, every kitchen size, and every household, plus the features that actually matter before you spend a penny. Welcome back. Whether you're buying your very first air fryer or upgrading an old model, this guide will help you avoid the marketing traps. We'll cover the best budget-friendly options, the best choice for couples and families, premium features worth paying for, and the one mistake that causes most people to regret their purchase. And stay until the end, because I'll give you a simple buy this if checklist. Section 1. The biggest mistake. The biggest mistake is buying based on litres alone. Yes, capacity matters, but the usable cooking surface matters even more. Air fryers work best when food sits in a single layer with room for hot air to circulate. A tall basket may sound large, but if it has a small base, you'll still be shaking, stacking, and cooking in batches. Here's the quick rule. For 1 or 2 people, look at compact models around 3 to 4 litres. For 2 to 4 people, 5 to 6 litres is the sweet spot. For families, batch cooking, or cooking a main and side together, choose dual drawers or 7 litres and above. And if you want to replace your oven for more meals, consider a large flexible drawer or oven-style air fryer. Section 2. Best budget type. Let's start with budget buyers. You do not need a premium air fryer to get crisp chips, chicken wings, vegetables, or reheated leftovers. A simple basket-style model is often the smartest first purchase. Look for at least a 4-litre basket if you cook for more than one person, a removable crisper plate, simple temperature and timer controls, and dishwasher-safe parts. A current value example is the Instant Vortex range. Models around the 5.7 to 6-litre size are often recommended for strong everyday performance without a premium price tag. The downside, most single baskets need shaking or turning halfway through, but for the money, that is a small trade-off. Section 3. Best for couples and small kitchens. If you live alone, share a flat, or have limited worktop space, don't buy a huge family machine just because it looks impressive online. A compact air fryer heats quickly, is easier to store, and makes more sense for smaller portions. The Ninja Crispy style of air fryer is especially interesting in 2026 because it uses glass cooking containers and is designed for compact kitchens and meal prep. It's a great option if you want something easier to store, but it is not the choice for feeding a family of 5. So ask yourself, are you cooking 1 chicken breast and some vegetables, or are you cooking dinner for everyone? Buy for your real routine, not your maybe one-day routine. Section 4. Best for families. For families, dual basket air fryers are where the upgrade becomes genuinely useful. Imagine cooking chicken in one drawer and chips in the other, at different temperatures and for different times, then having both finished together. That is what features like Sync and Match are for. Sync times 2 different foods to finish together. Match copies the same settings across both drawers. The Ninja Foodie Max Dual Zone AF400 UK remains a popular family-style format, with independent drawers and a large total capacity. If your kitchen is tight, stack designs such as the Ninja Double Stack XL can give you more cooking space without taking up as much width. The trade-off is obvious. Dual drawers cost more, take up more room, and can be heavier to clean. But if you cook 2 foods at once, several times a week, they can save serious time. Section 5. Premium picks. So what do premium air fryers give you? Not necessarily crispier chips. A good mid-range air fryer can already do that. Premium models are about versatility, precision, and convenience. For example, the Philips 5000 series dual basket steam air fryer combines steaming and air frying. That matters if you want food that stays juicy inside while still getting a crisp finish outside, especially chicken, fish, and vegetables. Another premium direction is smart cooking. Models such as the Drio Chef Maker add features like a temperature probe and steam-assisted cooking, which can be useful if you cook meat often and want more precision. But here's the key. Only pay extra for these features if you will actually use them. A temperature probe is brilliant for steak or roast chicken.
It is unnecessary if you mostly make frozen chips and nuggets.
Section 6. Features that actually matter. Here are the 5 features I would prioritize in 2026.
Number 1. Basket shape and surface area. Wide and shallow usually beats narrow and deep for crisping.
Number 2. Easy cleaning.
Look for removable, dishwasher-safe baskets and crisper plates. If cleaning feels annoying, you'll use the air fryer less. Number 3. Temperature range and control. More precise controls help with everything from delicate baking to high-heat crisping.
Number 4. Useful presets.
Presets are convenient, but don't buy a machine just because it claims to have 15 functions. You will probably use air fry, roast, reheat, bake, and maybe dehydrate.
Number 5. The footprint.
Measure your worktop before buying. Also check whether drawers need extra clearance to open.
Section 7. Energy efficiency. Are air fryers cheaper to run? They can be, especially for smaller meals, because they heat a much smaller space and usually cook faster than a full-size electric oven.
But bigger is not always better. A massive air fryer used for one portion can waste the advantage. Choose a size that fits the amount of food you cook most often.
Here's the quick recap. On a budget, choose a reliable 4 to 6 litre single basket air fryer. Cooking for 1 or 2? Go compact and prioritize storage and easy cleaning.
Cooking for a family? Choose a dual drawer or flexible large capacity model.
Want healthier, more versatile meals? Consider steam air fry or probe-equipped premium models.
Want the best value overall? Spend your money on the right capacity and easy cleaning, not on a screen full of presets. The best air fryer is not the most expensive one. It is the one that fits your household, your worktop, and the meals you actually cook. Which air fryer are you considering in 2026? Single basket, dual drawer, or a premium smart model?
Drop it in the comments below. If this guide saved you from buying the wrong air fryer, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more kitchen tech and smart home buying guides.
See you in the next video.